welcome back to Drawing for Kids. To start off, let's go over what material you'll need. You need some Crayola markers, which you can use any color markers that you like. Next, you also need some paper. In addition to that, you'll need some black markers, such as Sharpies. Okay, so as I'm going along, I'll go step by step on how to draw this character, but I really like to invite you to add your own little twist to it to make it your own. There's no pressure to necessarily draw exactly what I have, but let's use that as a guidance to see what we can come up with. As always, remember to add in a little bit of your imagination to make it your own. You can do this drawing with your family and friends, and at the end of it, maybe check out how everybody's drawing turned out at the very end. Are you ready? So we're gonna get started. I'm really excited to be drawing Winnie the Pooh with you today from Disney. Now, Winnie the Pooh is pretty popular in my household, and I wonder Winnie the Pooh is popular in your family. Well, let's get started, and I hope you will enjoy this particular bear drawing today. I'm gonna start by drawing Pooh's top of his head. So it'll be this curved line on the top, and then I'm gonna draw his 2 ears. In a sec, I'm just gonna draw his face. You can see I am gonna add his ear on one side and his ear on the other. Next, I'm gonna draw in his collar, and then I'm gonna give him a little bit of a belly. I'm gonna end it there because I'm gonna draw in his shirt first. So there's his sleeve on one side, and then I'm gonna do his arm hanging out on the other side. I'd better think of something he should hold on to later, but that's his arm on the side, and he's holding on to something. I wonder what he'll be holding on to. Maybe a pot of honey? Let's do that. If you want, you can have him hold on to a doll, or maybe he's holding on to some flowers. Use your imagination and think about what your drawing is trying to tell. Now I'm going to finish up with his shirt by connecting the line on here to the honey pot right there. So there you go, you have Winnie Pooh's shirt. And of course, we need to draw in his leg too. So we do a little curve, and then his leg here and his foot. You see he's very round because he's very round. There's his belly, and then of course we have to draw his butt too, and then his other foot on the other side. And there we have Winnie the Pooh standing there. He's kind of missing an arm, so let's add in the other arm for him on the other side. We'll draw in the sleeve, and then we'll draw his other arm like he's saying hi, saying how you doing, or perhaps he's waiting for you to give him a high five. Of course, what's missing is probably his face. So I'm going to draw in his 2 eyes and a nose that's like a triangle in the middle, and a little ridge for the top of his nose. If you want, you can add more expression by adding on eyebrows. So is he happy, sad, excited? And of course, he's happy in this drawing, so I drew a smiley face right there. He's really happy. Probably because he has a pot of honey in his hand. On the next part, I'm going to start coloring Winnie the Pooh. Now we know that Winnie the Pooh has the traditional colors of orange, kind of orange yellow, and also like red for his shirt. So we're going to start coloring Winnie the Pooh. As I'm doing this, I'm also going to talk out loud about how you can make your drawing creative and tell a story and make it your own. So what kind of story is your Winnie the Pooh trying to tell? Is he heading over to meet up with Tigger and Piglet and going for a picnic, or maybe a tea party? That's why he bought his pot of honey, so he can share with his friends, or maybe just eat by himself. But use your imagination and think about what he's doing and what he's about to do, and incorporate that into your drawing. He might be going to a birthday party, so let's add on a pointy birthday hat, and he'll be holding a sign saying happy birthday, or maybe grabbing some balloons, helium balloons on one hand. In the background, do you see trees? Is he in a forest? Are there little creeks and rivers running in the background? Or is it autumn in the forest with lots of red, orange, and yellow trees and the sun glowing in the background? And maybe it's winter and snow's coming down. Or perhaps it's pouring rain. He's holding an umbrella in one hand. So think about what story you're trying to tell and what Winnie is doing and what he's planning to do for the rest of the day. And that will really help you think about how to proceed with your drawing and what to add to it. After all, drawing is supposed to be fun. Just about wrapping up here, painting up the honey pot and coloring it in. I hope you enjoy drawing Disney's Winnie the Pooh with me, and out here we'll give you a closer look at Winnie the Pooh. Isn't he adorable? I hope you enjoy drawing him with me. Well, that's it for now. If you have other ideas for other characters you want me to draw, please leave a comment below. And until next time, stay safe, take care, and stay creative, guys. Bye now.